One of the more interesting plants or trees that's grown here at Wilkin's farm up at Tiptree is, of course, the medlar. Now, actually, if you look at it, look at this tree. It's not a young tree. It's attractive. It's got a lovely flower. I think it's got an attractive leaf. In fact, it's the sort of tree that you could have in not a small garden, but you could put it in a garden if you had enough room. Now, we've now got Dan, who looks after some of the farm and different things around Wilkins. Now, medlars, you've got a small orchard here of medlars, used for jam, isn't it?
Medlar jelly.
Medlar jelly.
So it's an ancient. Well, I suppose it's considered as an ancient fruit. I believe not many people grow medlar anymore. Used by the Romans as the last nutrient supply of the year. So after the first frost of the year, we then pick the fruit, we send it to the factory and allow it to blet. Once it's bletted, we then produce the medlar jelly from it.
It's fascinating, isn't it, to think that you've got something that is really an ancient fruit, which doesn't, you forget in today's world, we're so busy developing apples that have got the right flavour, can put up with this and put up with that, plums that can put up with a bit of frost on their blossom. And here we have a plant that's a tree that's been grown for years and years, as you say, from the Roman times, and we're still using it to make jelly.
Yes, yeah.
Is it still a popular, one of the jams that's quite popular?
It must be, because we still grow it. So
that's an interesting point, that, Dan. You wouldn't grow it if it wasn't popular, would you?
True, yeah. There'd be no point. Absolutely no point. So.
And it is. I mean, I know I go on about it, but to me, it's quite an attractive looking tree.
It is. I mean, I love the blossom.
It really is attractive, isn't it? Now, just looking around, I look through there, it's quite wild.
Yes.
Something that actually Wilkins are quite keen on is encouraging wildlife back into the farm, aren't you?
Absolutely. It's very good for insects. It's good for us as well, because we save time and energy. We don't have to keep cutting it, so we'll cut it ready for the harvest. But it's actually beneficial to leave these areas, as well as you'll see if you've driven around the farm. You'll see all the new hedgerows. So I think there's around 5 miles of hedgerows that we've planted. It's all really good for insects, ground nesting birds. It's better for the flora and fauna above and below soil ground as well.
All in all, you're doing your bit for nature.
Absolutely.